Hi, Eat Stay Chill is in Sadi, Delhi,
And we're at the Green Gourmet.
in Model Town, in the bustling streets of Delhi. And this place is a vegetarian restaurant. आजकल आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे लोग वेजिटेरियन हो जाते हैं for health reasons,
Right.
for religious purposes. But
And, and just to save the environment as well.
तो इस रेस्टोरेंट में आला कार्ट तो है ही, पर यहाँ पे बुफे पे 100 डिशेस हैं, all vegetarian, and they change periodically.
That's right.
And
So I mean, what's interesting is that it is a veg-only restaurant, and the ethos of the restaurant is all about showing people how they can infuse different flavors into a range of vegetarian dishes and make it just as tasty and delicious and wonderful as any non-vegetarian restaurant, because there are so many varieties. I mean, a lot of people think that, oh no, you don't get that much in vegetarian, but that's so not true.
yeah, and आजकल a lot of people are turning flexitarian.
Yeah, which,
You know-
which means that they turn vegetarian for 1 or 2 or 3 days of the week, where they only eat vegetarian on that particular day.
So at the Green Gourmet, they have a globally inspired menu. They've got continental, Mexican, Oriental, Indian, regional Indian, and lots more.
Yeah, they have a chaat counter as well.
A dim sum counter,
Yeah.
pasta counter. Oh my god, and it's such a steal deal at $4.99 plus taxes. I think it's just amazing.
It's pretty amazing, and it's really tasty.
It's yummy.
From last 20 years, what we have achieved in the Pin Blue Chi, we are the number one in India as a Northern India Indian restaurant chain. We have got 34 restaurants and 4 in pipeline. But what was in mind? That is the only thing I have come in my mind. Ki sometime now I am thinking sometime for vegetarian food. We have enjoyed the non-vegetarian too much. That only enjoyed it. Sometimes एक दो चिकन खा लेते थे, परंतु अब उम्र के हिसाब से, सोच के हिसाब से, एक रिलीजियस पर्पस के हिसाब से कई बार दिमाग में आता है कि वाई वी शुड नॉट हैव वेजिटेरियन फूड. सो व्हाट आई हैव सीन, नो स्टैंडर्ड any different brand, any you can say solid brand is there in India who has got a good control over the vegetarian food, that except Bikaner and Haldiram. Thus, we have created this new brand, Green Gourmet, with more than 100 items, 7 you can say global cuisines.